Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to refill your nails using dip powder. And here is what the finished result looks like. It looks super clean and super pretty. So I actually got a comment a while back asking how to do it, and they asked to do it with the ASP powders, but I already had the Color Club powder on, so I wanted to use the same product, but this technique will work with any system. So here is what the Color Club system looks like. It comes with the 3 bottles and then the 3 powders as well as a nail buffer. And here are what all of those products look like taken out of the box. So here are the colors. This is the light tan pink color that I used for my previous nails. Then there is a gold glitter as well as a plain white. So other materials you're going to need is a dehydrator, a cuticle pusher, a file, a fan brush, and a gel primer. So here you can see the growth of these nails, and they have been on for about 2 weeks now, and here's what the bottom of the nails look like. So I want to just cover up that growth just to make it look cleaner and smooth. So the first step is to push your cuticles back, and I just did this really quick because I already did it, but you just want to take the time to remove all of the excess dead skin. Then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and roughen up the surface of the nail just so the new powder can adhere properly. Now I'm just taking off all the dust from the filings, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my dehydrator. And you just want to apply this to the natural nail so the powder can adhere. Next, I'm going in with this gel primer, and again I'm just applying this onto the natural nail for the powder to stick to. So here's the powder I'm using. It's this light tan pink neutral shade. So the first step is taking the base coat and applying a coat of that to the whole nail, covering the natural nail as well as the previous dip powder. And you really want to make sure to coat every inch of the nail without touching the cuticle, and then dip that into the powder and tap off the excess. So now I'm just repeating that on my other nails, again painting it from the natural nail onto the dip powder, covering the entire nail, dipping it into the dip powder, and then tapping off any extra powder over the jar. So then I'm just again doing that on my ring nail, and this technique I actually saw on YouTube from another video, and I decided to test it out, and it really works well. And you can't tell really a difference where there was that lump because you already filed off any of that excess lifting and any extra bulk on the nail. So once I have dipped all of my nails in, I'm taking my fan brush and dusting off any of the powder that is still on the nail. Then I'm going ahead and filing just to smooth out the surface and define the shape of the nail. And you want to use a fine grit file for this because you don't want to take off too much of the powder. You just want to smooth the surface. And I'm just doing this to all of the nails. So I'm getting around the cuticle area as well as the sides. So then I'm dusting off all of the filing dust, and now I'm going to go in with the step 2 activator and just apply a coat of this to harden up the powder and to smooth everything out. And this is just like it almost is a primer consistency, so it's pretty watery and it dries super quick. So then after this step, you can go ahead and apply a top coat if you want to wear these nails out, but I personally want to paint over them, so I didn't. And here you can see there is still a little bit of a line where the powder previously was, but after putting this new powder on, you can see the structure of the nail is super nice and smooth coming from the cuticle, and it looks really natural. So here I'm just showing you again on my thumb where there was a bit more lifting, so you can definitely see that line still, but since I'm painting over these nails, it wasn't a problem. So here are the completed nails. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.